Hello guys, how are you? I hope everybody is fine and welcome again in this new video in which I will deal with the case here in ARS server, Discord server. It's about, let me find it, it's about this guy, this one, Ken0560. He requests to clean me file of this dump, which we have done, me and another member, I think Equinox. So here's my file which I supplied here, but the guy requesting the clean me replied that it doesn't work, but still same problem with both. Do you have any idea where to look next? It's strange, all voltages. So here he says that the files didn't work for him, the clean me ones, and he states here it's strange, all voltages are present and it does respond to power button. It was pointing to some firmware issue, but maybe not. Me too, I think that it may still be a BIOS issue. So maybe the BIOS needs or the BIOS region needs to be repaired too. So how to repair the BIOS region? Simply replacing the BIOS region of the dump by the update one, which we are going to extract from an executable file downloaded from Dell support. So let's go back to the first post where the guy requests here, and let's download the dump. Let's put it in as temporary. Let's create a new folder with his name. I still remember him, 0560 maybe. Anyway, sorry if I made a mistake in the name, but it doesn't matter, as we simply need a folder for putting the dump. Okay, the dump now is downloaded. Let's download the executable file, the BIOS update. So here in first result, we go to drivers and downloads. We go to find drivers here, and here we put the keyword BIOS, and here we have the last update. Let's download. Let's put in the same folder, but we need another separate folder which I am going to name exe. Okay, so we got our files here. So we need to extract the BIOS region from this one. Dell BIOS update files contain only BIOS region. It's rare that Dell offers a full BIOS image in its update files given in the support site. So as we can see here, we can't extract with WinRAR. Let's try this. I don't think it will do the job, but let's try it. Okay, I got some files, but not what I really need, so let's just delete these files. It's not what we need. And to extract this file, as you can see here, it's not a classical Dell file. We can know that from the icon of the file. It's a new file. It's the new generation of files. So and can't be extracted. This one can't be extracted using same day prompt. So we just go to the pinned message in this same channel. Use me repair clean here, pinned message, and you go to the bottom. We have here Bios Extract utilities, which let's put it within the same folder where the executable file is, and let's go back to our, so here we got it. Let's extract it here, and let's delete the RAR file. We don't need it anymore. Let's open our Bios Extract folder. Let's cut this from here. We don't need a lot of folders. Let's paste here. This one is empty. Let's remove it, and we have here our utility. This one, you double click, you got this, and here you go to Dell Bios Extract, you click, you got this window. You go back to the folder here where .exe file is, you copy this path, and you with the right click you paste it here and you hit enter. Here we have, so what we see here is that the program tries to extract the other files which are in this folder. Anyway, what interests us is this one, this folder created here having the same name of the executable file. If we go inside, we find here what we need. So here we have the system BIOS with BIOS guard version 0IME, it's not OV Pro, yes, BIOS guard, and here it's the version 1.22.0. Anyway, what we need is this one, the BIOS region. We also have the Intel Management Engine here, but we don't need it. In fact, we need or we can use it to clean me this file, why not? So let's first of all open this with the hex editor and go back to the main folder where the dump is. Let's open the dump too, and you just copy 2 lines or 3 from the file extracted. You copy and you use them as a keyword to search in the dump to locate the beginning of the BIOS region. So here is our beginning of the BIOS region. Here is the beginning here. So let's go back here and let's with the Ctrl A to select all and Ctrl C to copy, and here we click here with the right click and we paste right. So now our BIOS region is replaced. Let's save this as BIOS region updated .bin. .bin. Let's add here dump with. Let's save it in the same working folder here. Let's close this now. Let's close this, we don't need it anymore. And this, let's reduce this, and let's analyze the file which we have just saved with the Me Analyzer to see which version we need in this one. So we need 11.8.60.3561. First of all, let's give me just a second. I have to pick up the system tool. So we need 11 version. Just a moment. So system tools, close. So here we have this. Let's drag it here. Close this now. Let's extract and delete the RAR file. We don't need it anymore. Let's see what do we have here. So we go to flash image tool. We cut this from here with Control X or Control C, sorry, to make a copy of it. You paste here and you delete the folder which we don't need anymore. Now we go here and we fire our tool. What we need in fact now is to do a clean me to the file. So let's open the file here. It's here and it's on desktop and it's here and it's King and this one. So this is the original dump, this is the dump with the BIOS region updated. So we need to open this one. We go to build setting, we make now, we close, for protection, so put guard to 0, and let's save as kin. Yes, let's go back to the folder. So we have this folder generated here by the tool, which contains the files or the partitions of the BIOS image. Let's go. Now we need the Me region, Intel Management Engine, NANV Pro update. This one, we just copy it, and we go to this folder, we paste it here and we rename it Me region to replace this one. So we just drag it to this folder, decomp, and we accept to replace the file. And we go back to our tool and we open the configuration file which we have saved already. Then we go to build. So we will get the image, I think, here or here in the main folder. Anyway, here or there, it's the same. Let's just build the image. We got the image here, and if we so here initialize, if we open this with the Me Analyzer, it should be configured, and here we have the latest. It's configured, and in the dump it's initialized, and it's 11.8.90, 11.8.60.35.61. Here it's .90, 3987 production, same extracted consumer LP, and power down mitigation. It should be no in both files, yes, and the size, everything is okay, and the file is ready to use. And this video is made for future procedure. If anyone needs the same procedure, the same job, he can do it by himself. No need to wait for others to do the job, and that will save you a lot of time. So let's go back to the file. Let's answer. Before that, let's rename it out image dump cleaned and Bios region updated. Try this one. If still same symptoms, then Bios issue will be excluded, and you can continue troubleshoot your case in laptop channel. And that's it, job done. I hope it's clear and well explained, and the video will be uploaded right now, and I will share the link in this same channel. Bye bye, and if any question, as always, ask me here in the server. Bye bye everybody, and take care.